Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel Body Care and Cure. I hope you guys are positive, you guys are strong and healthy from your mind and your health. So 2020 has not been a good year till now. Since January, problem of CANRC, happening of coronavirus, and still it is continuing and we all are dealing with it. Deaths of so many people around the world because of viruses and because of other factors also, like suicides and attempts to suicide. Deaths of famous Bollywood celebrities and some other famous people. So let's see what this year has to serve us in the coming months, and the most latest Indo-China war. Deal with everything that is happening in the world and within our country. We have to have a healthy mind, and to lead to a healthy mind, we have to have a healthy health. So today's video I have made for you with all my special efforts, mind you, of these points that I will be sharing with you today. So these are 6 points as a reminder for you to have a healthy health. Let's begin. First point is nutrition.
Eat a variety of nutrient-rich foods. Your body actually needs more than 40 different nutrients for good health. There is not one single source for them. Your daily food selection should include a balance of good carbs, proteins, fruits, vegetables, and dairy products.
Eat moderate portions. So food is not good or bad, it's all about your portion control. If you keep your portion sizes moderate and reasonable, it is easier for you
to eat whatever you want and also maintain a healthy and balanced diet.
Third, do not eliminate certain foods.
Because our bodies require diverse nutrition, it is a bad idea to eliminate all salt, fat, and sugar from our diets.
Choosing a healthier options such as skimmed or low-fat dairy products will help you maintain a balanced diet. Fourth, avoid too much of caffeine.
Caffeine is a mildly addictive drug that can affect your ability to sleep and focus, while also affecting such bodily function as muscle function and the cleansing of waste products.
Fifth, drink a lot of water. Stay away from cokes and other sugary sodas, which can pack up as much as 17 teaspoons of sugar in 200 ml of drink. And this sugar can use up important vitamins and minerals from your body.
Water helps not only to hydrate but to aid in blood circulation, removal of toxins from our bodies, and in the regulation of body temperatures.
Six, do not skip meals. Meals are a very important source of intake of food in your day, and try to at least have 2 of the meals on proper time with proper intake. It can be breakfast, lunch or dinner.
Just make sure you have at least 2 balanced meals. Skipping meals can lead to out of control hunger and frequently result in overindulging of snacking between regular meals.
And last but not the least, I have for you is the intake of multivitamins through capsules or tablets. So multivitamins prevents and treats a lot of vitamins and minerals deficiencies due to poor diet or during pregnancy. So vitamins are very important building blocks for our body, and it helps to keep good health. Just for an example, I'll be showing you the multivitamin tablets I consume. This one is from Herbalife. You can get it online or you can look for some other source of multivitamins. But capsules and tablets are a good source to be consuming these multivitamins. I hope you like my video and I have inspired you enough to start continuing the things which we have forgotten lately. And this was a reminder video for all of you. We know these points, but I wanted to remind each one of you that it is a must to follow these basic points to have a healthy life and a healthy body and a healthy mind. So if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, share this video with your loved ones, and also subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon below so that you are updated with all my latest videos. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.